Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable the reverse charging the power bank mode on your Oukitel WP300. The first thing you need to do is to plug the USB Type-C cable in your phone over here in the charging port. Well, of course, we have a cover here. Wait a moment. So we need to uncover our USB Type-C over here somehow. I don't like this cover really much, but now we have it done. We're going to now plug our cable. And now once done, we need to plug the cable to other phone. Or of course our device. Let be this iPhone 16 Pro. Now as you can see, by default our phone is charging. But if you want to manage that and make sure that it will charge, we need to tap here, wait a moment, the notification center. We should see here, connected to iPhone, charging connected via USB. Tap it, and now here USB controlled by connected device, charge connected device. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.